Talofa everyone, my name is Ranger Vasati and I am with the National Park of American Samoa. Today, we will be making a traditional Samoan Umu. The Umu is an above ground oven made from heated volcanic stones and it is used to cook a variety of foods. It is not only a method of cooking but also an important part of our culture, bringing families and communities together. So, come along with me to my home and experience a demonstration of how the Umu is prepared and how this tradition continues to be practiced today.
First, we gather everything needed for the Umu. Stones are collected along with root leaves such as banana leaves and taro leaves that will be used to cover the meal. This is our Umu oven with stones stacked on top and coconut husks and sticks arranged underneath to create strong heat. While the stones are heating, the food is prepared. Meat such as chicken and root crops like taro, bananas, and breadfruit are cleaned. Some dishes are placed in coconut cream and carefully wrapped in banana leaves. When the stones are ready, the burnt wood and ash are removed, and hot stones are spread evenly. The food is then carefully placed on top, layer by layer. Heated stones are placed over certain dishes to help them cook thoroughly. Next, the food is covered with layers of banana and taro leaves to keep the heat inside. Mats, sacks, or cloth are placed over the leaves, trapping the steam and creating a natural oven. Now the Umu is left to cook slowly for about 2 hours. During this time, the heat from the stone steams and roasts the food, giving it a rich, smoky flavor. When the cooking is complete, the coverings are removed and the food is carefully taken out. The meal is ready to be shared. Thank you for joining me in learning about our traditional Umu. Thank you for watching.